Here is how you can make spam fried rice. First, you cook up some rice, and then you cut up spam and garlic. After that, you have to get a bowl so you can crack up an egg and put the yolk inside of the bowl. And then, if you want to, you can add a teensy weensy bit of salt into the egg. And then you mix it with a fork. And then you put some oil into the pan that you got. And then you put the spam inside the pan. Good worm. And then you wait for some of it to get a bit brownish. So you're gonna have to flip it over with a spatula every now and then to make all sides a bit brown. Make sure you don't get any confused with the shadow. And then once everything is brown enough, you can put it on a plate and put it away for later. And then once you put every spam away, then you put in the egg, and then use the spatula to move the egg all over, and then you get this in return. And then you put it with the spam and put it aside too. And then you put some oil into the pan again, and then you put some garlic into the pan. And then you mix around the garlic to make that brownish too, like that spam. And then you add in the rice you cooked up from before. And then you have to mix up the rice with the garlic. Add in salt if you want. And then you get the spam and egg from before and put it into the rice. And then you mix it up. Yeah, just heat it up. And if you want to, then you can put in soy sauce if you know what that is. But if you do have it, then you should definitely put it. And then you mix that up to get the soy sauce everywhere in the rice. And then once everything is finished, you put it into a plate. And once you get everything out of the pan, then get ready to eat. Bon appetit.